I've recently switched from my GoPro into some more advanced stuff, which is Sony FX30 with Tamron lenses. This is my first experience with this camera and I want to share with you how exactly I shot and edited my first B-rolls with this gear. So first off, camera settings. This will be more for beginners. I didn't want to experiment a lot with S-Log recording and so on, so I disabled log as well as picture profile. As a codec, I shot in III-A VC 4K to spare more space. I didn't use any filters nor gimbal because I don't have it. That's why I shot in 60 FPS most of the time to have more control when slowing the clips down so it looks more stabilized. I used also the active stabilization on. I didn't have time to control exposure, that's why ISO and aperture were set to auto, shutter speed was set to manual and it was 100. White balance, auto as well. While shooting, I was switching a lot between autofocus area so it looks more cinematic. Generally, I've recorded many short clips around 5 seconds long, only if something interesting popped up. I almost never pan or tilt with the camera, it doesn't look cinematic and basically it's a waste of space and battery. Better effect is when you zoom in or out, or when you film and move sideways at the same time. But it's really hard to have smooth stabilized shots without a gimbal. That is why in post I use stabilize feature in Davinci Resolve, as well as I slowed down by half the shots that I wanted to be as smooth as possible. I also changed playback direction in some cases so that the subsequent scenes and cuts match better to each other. I trimmed and transitioned to the background music rhythm. I basically listened to the music and decided when the cut should be. This is totally subjective. The only transition effect I used was the cross dissolve, but in most of the cases it was just a trim or cut tool. One more effect I used several times was the dynamic zoom. Depending what kind of subtle zoom you need, in or out, you can customize it in the inspector. Finally, I color graded the whole project. I have increased overall contrast and temperature a bit. In some of the clips I have increased shadows, boost some more contrast and overall brightness, and that was basically it. I don't want to go too far into the details, hopefully you've got the idea and steps that been taken to create this short travel video. Leave a comment how would you do it better, or if you liked it or not. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, cheers!